In Light Stanza, there are many different ways one can place fixtures. You can start in a Revit model, a PDF, CAD. You can start in a blank document, whatever your preference is. The process is going to be the same for all instances. And so for my purpose, I'm just going to start with a blank canvas. And then I'm just going to use this box, height of 10 feet. And then I like to place my fixtures in plan view. Some people might like to do 3D, it's all personal preference. But right now I'm just going to import some fixtures. And so I'm going to go to the fixtures that I had downloaded previously. And I am just going to drag and drop. And so now you can see I have my box and my fixtures. So one way you can do it is you can just click this add button, and you can see that it is mounted at 9 feet, which will be perfect for this room since my ceiling height is at 10. And then you can just start placing your fixtures. It automatically snaps at a 1 foot increment, so you can get an even grid. If you hold the shift bar, you can place them wherever. And that is one of the ways you can place fixtures. You can also go into your lighting layouts, and you can place them by an illumination target if you know that. And so I'll just set this for 35. And it will just lay the fixtures out for you. As simple as that. You can also go into your rows and columns, and if you have a specific amount that you want, you can do it like that. So let's say we want 4 by 3. And then it'll place your fixtures like that. And so this is just the many different ways you can place fixtures in Light Stanza. Try to make it as easy as possible for the user.